Good morning, and thank you all for being here. We have an extraordinary session this morning. You can tell because the good portion of the board is sitting in the audience section so they can make sure they see every slide. It's a tremendous opportunity for us to be here to celebrate progress and to have a joint education with the public on this specific advance for a chronic disease that leads to leukemia and strokes. So thank you, Katrina Jameson and your team, and thank you for the patients for being here to share their stories. As I said to the patients earlier, the patients are the goal. The patients and their families are the whole purpose for our dedication. And so it is tremendously heartwarming and encouraging to have you here. My name is Robert Klein. I am the chairman of the governing board of the state agency. And one of our phenomenal board members has been Dr. David Brenner, who's the dean of the medical school and vice chancellor for health sciences. He brings a tremendous insight from his scientific and clinical backgrounds with leadership and oversight of over 900 health science faculty, physicians, pharmacists, and scientists, and a staff of 7,500, and a health system that cares for approximately 125,000 patients. Dr. Brenner is respected nationally and internationally for his leadership in his scientific research specializing in diseases of the liver. He's known as a translational scientist who has both strength in the lab and in clinical settings. He has pioneered new understandings in the molecular pathogenesis of fibrotic liver disease and the genetic basis of liver disorders, with a phenomenal background that reaches from Yale School of Medicine to the NIH to University of California, San Diego. It is that type of leadership and dedication that attracts brilliant young scientists like Katrina Jameson and her staff. And I would like to, at this point, with my thanks for the tremendous contribution of UC San Diego Medical School, turn this over to Dr. David Brenner.
That was so nice. I wish my mother was here. This is really my pleasure. First of all, on behalf of UC San Diego, I would like to welcome you all here. And I want to point out that maybe more than any other city, San Diego has been transformed by the California Institute of Regenerative Medicine. It was the impetus that led to the creation of the Sanford Consortium for Regenerative Medicine, where 4 of the premier research institutions in the world, Scripps Research Institute, Salk, UC San Diego, and Burnham, combined to do science that couldn't be done in any institution separately. And I like to think that Katrina Jameson is one of the products of that success. Also, right behind the Torrey Pines Mesa are over 500 biotech companies, and they have also interacted and contributed to the consortium. And I think as you hear Dr. Jameson's talk, you'll see what an amazing interaction is between CIRM, between the research institutions, and the biotech community. And this was really set up by the formation of CIRM. So I think everyone in this room should be very pleased with themselves and very happy with an outcome that no one would have thought could have happened so quickly.